Hello, welcome back to my workshop. Quick review, little 3-in-1 multifunction hand saw. Basically it's a hacksaw, it's a pruning saw and it's a wood saw. So what we're going to do is, it comes with, it's a 6 pieces in the kit and it comes with, let me think now, 4 blades. You just go and grab a pair of snips so we can get into the packaging, and then we are going to saw some stuff up, because that's how we roll here. Now that won't come off like that, you could rip it off. That's what I'm going to do. $7.99 at Lidl, currently in the shops. A couple of other bits and bobs that I'll show you later. Okay, another there. So what we have a pruning style blade, pruning saw style blade, cut out. We have a rip saw style blade, and we have 2 hacksaw blades. So let's start as they are set in there. Now it does say that it can do between 0 and 45 degrees. In practice it can do 0 or 45 degrees. Not quite sure why you would want to do 45. So we've got 2 blades. We have 24 teeth for metal and we have an 18 teeth for plastics and the like. Now hold on, let me grab a bladey thing to strip the plastic off this. Find my fingers. When you're using blades like that, it helps to keep your fingers behind the blade. You're less likely to cut them off then. Right, so we are going to start with the metal cutting blade. Okay, so it cuts that way. Let me think now. No, it doesn't, it cuts that way. Right. So for Western saw setup, you put it with the text like that. It's quite a nice handle on that for tightening it up. We have a few bits of metal to cut. Right, let's do a little bit of cutting. Certainly seems to cut reasonably well, reasonably quickly. That's quite good. Let's try that with a bit of rebar. Just cut the end off that. I'm not going to cut all the way through that because that will just be boring. But it is cutting reasonably well. Okay, next blade it's got. Ah, that's interesting. Just noticed instructions on changing the blades are inside there. I'll come back to that in a minute. Right, so the plastic blade, put that over there. Can't grip it that tight in this vice. Chomp straight through plastic tube. So that's good. So the hacksaw blades are reasonably good and it holds reasonably well. Hopefully the fitting instructions are not actually required for the other two blades. What we're going to do, so you've got this here, you undo that. I think you can then press that and pull that out. You can then, that one hooks in there somehow. Ah, okay. And, actually, that's completely irrelevant to the hacksaw. Right, let me just throw that out of the way. So, what we want to do is hook that in there, and then it goes up, and that, just as you see, those two catch on with that rivet there and that rivet there. We're going to put that in, slide that up, and we then put in the screw there, which has got a shoulder on it, and the shoulder is what will clamp and locate. Okay. Right, so that's into clamp. Typical application. It cuts quick enough. It's not ringing. This is not normally the case for saws, but it works. Last but not least, we will try the pruning saw blade. Let me see if I can get that out of its packet. Not easily, but I put that other, that's my sharpened knife. So again, that's bound to hook up there. I can wobble around a lot until we fit this. Okay, done that up tight. That's reasonably firm. So the branch cut down some time ago. This is the sort of thing you might want to go and cuts on the back stroke. Seem to do reasonably well. So $7.99 that. General purpose saw. I think that's alright. Not that fond of the Japanese rips pull saw. Well, that's alright. Slight issue you're going to have with this though. Is keeping all the bits of blade together. Not quite sure how I'm going to do that. I might have to go and put up my little actual little organiser. Anyway, not bad saw. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And comments are welcome. Questions by all means.